Hi, I'm Julia. I'll show you how to delete every tweet from a specific date range. First, open Circleboom. Click Essential Toolbox in the sidebar and select Delete Tweets under Delete Tools. Then, Circleboom loads your recent tweets up to your last 3,200, all selected by default, showing the total tweet count along with stats like impressions, likes, and retweets for each one. After that, click Filter Options. Scroll down to Date and set your earliest date using the calendar picker. Then do the same for the latest date to lock in the exact window you want. Click Apply Filters. Circleboom narrows the list down to only the tweets posted in that window and shows the range in the Active Filters bar at the top. Once you're happy with the range, click Delete All Filtered. Circleboom asks you to confirm and reminds you that deleted tweets are not recoverable. So click Delete Tweets to remove them all in one go. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy Circlebooming!